Hi, I'm Lee Romano with the Home Team Group with Keller Williams Space Coast here in beautiful sunny Cocoa Beach, Florida, and I'd like to introduce myself to you. I've been in the real estate business for about 10 years now, consistently producing between $9 million and $13 million in sales volume over that time. Find myself in the top 5% of realtors in the county, and last year had the honor of being named one of the top 300 realtors in Real Producer magazine. I'm a former team leader here at Keller Williams Space Coast. I do serve on our Agent Leadership Council, and with the things that I've learned here at Keller Williams over the last 4 years, I've been able to create a real estate business for myself, and I'd like to share some of the ideas that I've learned, some of the things that I've learned with you. I built my business primarily on sellers, working with listings, and that's why I'm excited to share Win with Sellers with you, to take some of the great material in the class and share some of my experiences with you as well. And secondly, years ago, Gary Keller discovered that high achievers have a similar mindset when it comes to success. And they're the key points encompassed in the 6 personal perspectives. And I'm excited to share these foundational perspectives with you as well. So I do look forward to seeing you in person. I look forward to seeing you at a market center near you. Hope you have a great day.